sad, yeah.
So wrong.
This is a disgrace. This is what Auckland's coming to. What a disgrace.
It's a crime.
It's a crime.
It's an absolute crime.
Bring back tree protection, Aotearoa!
Yeah, bring back tree
Save our
protection.
trees. Our beautiful native trees just
Our
destroyed.
government needs to step up.
This is murder and rape.
Yeah, corruption. Save the trees. No more.
Shame!
Oh my God! Unbelievable! Unbelievable!
This morning, that tree was majestic. Oh round canopy. Now look at it. Last limb. Rest in peace, pohutukawa.
The
Rest in
humans!
peace.
Thank you.
Humans! Do it again!
Yeah, short-sighted greed. Thank you for your decades of shade and beauty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are sorry, trees. We are sorry. Our lungs. Nothing wrong. Healthy trees, natives being destroyed. And you all know it's wrong, and yet you stand by.
100 years to grow, 1 hour to cut it down.
Your
Well done.
children will suffer. These are the Earth's lifeblood. I don't even know what we're the parasites.